Dear student, my name is Umesh Kumar Gera. I am the assistant professor of SIRT College Bhopal in AI/ML department. So I have launched the playlist of Automata and compiler design subject. So today this is the first lecture where I will discuss the language processing system. 1 minute, I have changed the slide. So what is language processing system? So we know that we are writing a program in high level language programming, and that program is converted into the machine level language program. So what are the process, what are the steps where the high level language is programmed and converted into the executable code? So there are the 5 translators you have seen in the diagram. On these translator, your program high level language is converted into the executable code. So the first phase is preprocessor. So you know that whenever you write a program in C language, just like I has include studio.h and studio define macros. So these type of lines is excluded by the preprocessor phase. So what are the role of preprocessor phase? Preprocessor phase is used for file inclusion and macro expansion. So your high level language is converted into pure high level language after the preprocessor phase. And the second phase is compiler. So what are the main aim of the compiler? The main aim of the compiler is convert your pure high level language program into assembly language. So assembly language is called a middle level language where you can write a program in mnemonics, just like whenever you want to add to number a or b, so you have to write the code add a comma b, just like that. So this is the assembly language code. And then after that, your assembly language code is going to as an input in assembler phase. So what are the role of assembler? Assembler is converted your assembly language code into object machine code. So what is machine code? Machine code is two types. One is absolute machine code. Second is relocatable machine code. So assembler is used for convert your assembly language code into machine code that is relocatable. So there is important point. The machine code is divided into two parts. One is relocatable machine code and second is absolute machine code. So what are the difference between these code? I will discuss in the last last point after the all the compiler, all the phases are discussed. So the next phase is linker and loader. So what are the role of linker? So we know that we have a write a program in many places. So if you require all these program into a single file, so you have to link all the programs. So linker is work as a software. The role of linker is to connect all the program into a single file. And what is the loader? So loader is the main aim of whenever you execute your program, you have to load your program into the main memory. Otherwise, you cannot run the your program because the CPU directly communicate with the main memory. So the role of loader is to load a program into a main memory. And after that, your program is converted into the absolute machine code. And once your program is converted into absolute machine code, then it is the executable file, exe file. So this is the overall process of your converter, your high level language program into the target machine code. So at last, I will discuss the absolute machine code and what is relocatable machine code. So we know that whenever you write a program, that your program is stored into the main memory. So in main memory, program is stored like some addresses. Suppose your program is 4 KB and the memory is assigned into the secondary memory from 0 to just like a 4096 address, continuous address. Whenever you execute this program, your program copy will move to secondary memory to main memory. So here program is also stored into the main memory. So here again we assign the address. So these address are maybe same as or these address are maybe different as the secondary memory address. So this mapping is called relocatable memory address. Whenever you load your program, then the static address is assigned to your program, that is called absolute program. So this is the basically language processing system where your high level language is programmed and converted into the target machine code. So in the next lecture, we will discuss what are the compiler and what are the various phases of the compiler. Thank you very much.